kitchen is the heart of the home. We will make hygienic food, which helps us take food together. Regalo, we have got through Instagram. We came to know and then visited the factory in Purple Industrial area. It was a nice experience. Miss Ajra was there. She has experience, given us all the experiences, what all should be done, how it has to be made. She has given us a display also, and showed some movies, what all can be used and how it can be used. Experience of a modular kitchen is like it stays very healthy. The utensils, then the insect part is also taken care of it. The team behavior was very active, and they listened to during the start. As I told you, that during the start of the project and until the kitchen was operational, they were with us. And whatever changes we needed or what could be the best on the site, they have given us a good experience of customizing my kitchen. We have received a lot of compliment for how the Regalo has given us this whole project, how they have handled. We are coming up with a new house also in the same place, and we have taken the second step to entertain the Regalo for this kitchen. I expect that they grow and have more, make more options for us, customize for new kitchens also. They have a great team, and I wish them good luck. It was a good experience.